Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the question related to dissolution of a partnership firm. Here is a question. The balance sheet of XYZ on 31st March 2017 is given. On the liability side, creditor 30,000, bill payable 10,000, G's loan 18,000 by a partner whose loan is 20,000, workman compensation reserve 33,000, capital of X and Y is X's capital is 75,000, Y's capital is 85,000. On the asset side, bank account 32,000, debtors 48,000, stock 19,000, furniture 43,000, land and building is 1,09,000 and Jet's capital which is given on the asset side is rupees 20,000. The total of the balance sheet is 2,71,000. Here are some conditions on which firm is isolated. The debtors were realized 29,000, creditors and bill payable were paid at a discount of 10%. Stock was taken over by X for rupees 17,000. Furniture was sold to K for rupees 20,000. Land and building was sold for rupees 2,98,000. G's loan was paid by check of the same amount. Compensation to workmen paid by the firm is amounting to rupees 15,000. We have to prepare realization account and capital account and bank account of the firm. First of all, we should use all the items given in the balance sheet. These would be transferred in these four accounts: realization account, Y's loan, capital account and bank account. We will start the question from asset side of balance sheet. On asset side, first item is given bank. The balance of bank would be transferred to bank account and it is returned to balance brought down 32,000. Then all other assets except just capital would goes on the debit side of realization. So we would write debtors 48,000, stock 19,000, furniture is 43,000, land and building is given 1,09,000. Jet's capital would goes in capital account. It would comes on the debit side as it is given on the asset side of balance sheet. The amount is 20,000. Then comes on the liability side of balance sheet. First of all, transfer all the outside liabilities. On the credit side of relation, the liabilities are creditor. The amount is 30,000. Bill payable. The amount is 10,000. G's loan, G is not a partner, so it is also third party. G's loan is 20,000. Y's loan would be transferred in Y's loan account by balance brought down. The amount is 20,000. And leave the workman compensation reserve. Transfer the capital account of the partners on the liability side. The amount of X is 75,000 and Y is 85,000. We would do the entry related to workman compensation reserve on the last. At the last, the adjustments are: the firm dissolved on the above date for the following terms. Debtors realized. When debtors are realized, we would write bank account debit to realization by bank. Debtors amount is 29,000. Payment made to creditor at 10% discount. To bank, realization account debit to bank. Creditor amount is 30,000. 10% of it is 3,000 which is deducted. So the amount would be 27,000. And the amount of bill payable is given above is 10,000. To bill payable, the amount of 10,000 is given, so 10% discount is 1,000. The bill payable amount is 9,000. Stock was taken over by X. Now by X's capital, the amount is 17,000. It would comes on the debit side of capital account by realization. The amount is 17,000. Then furniture is sold to K. It is not a party of the firm, it is third party, so it would come through bank. Furniture by bank, furniture is 20,000. Then land and building was sold, land and building, bank account debit to realization by land and building by banking. Then the amount is 2,98,000. G's loan was paid by check. Then it would comes on the debit side of realization to bank. All payment is done by the firm comes on the debit side of realization. The amount is 20,000 and it is compensation to workman paid by the firm is 15,000. Make the compensation total given is 33,000. Make two part of it. 15,000 paid by firm and the remaining amount is 18,000, which would be divided among partners in the ratio 1:1:1. Then it would come 6,000 in each partner's capital account. First of all, transfer 15,000 on credit side by workman compensation 15,000. Then make payment of it to bank workman compensation reserve. The amount is 15,000. Remaining 18,000 would comes on the credit side of capital account. The amount is 6,000 in each partner's capital account. Then make total of bank account. Here the total is 3,47,000 and the total is G's loan is 18,000. Then here also 18,000. Amount is 54,000. Balance all the accounts. First of all, realization account. In realization account on the credit side by bank is given. So it would comes on the debit side of bank account to realization. The amount is 3,47,000. Then on the debit side to bank, then it would comes on the credit side of bank account by realization amount is 54,000. To bank another amount is 15,000. It would also comes on bank's credit side. The amount is 15,000. Then make total of it. Total of it is, we would do total of this. The total of this is 30,000, 10,000, 18,000 is 58,000. Then 3,47,000 plus 32,000. The amount is 4,37,000. And debit side 48,000 plus 19,000 plus 43,000 plus 1,09,000 and 54,000 and then is 15,000. The total is 2,88,000. Credit side total is 4,37,000. Debit side is total 2,88,000. Here the balance is 1,49,000, which is profit. It will be transferred among partners in their equal ratio to capital account X, Y and Z. 49,660, 49,667, 49,660. The amount is 1,49,000. Here the total is 4,37,000. This profit would be transferred in capital account of the partners by realization 49,660. Then make payment of Wise loan account to bank account. The amount is 20,000. It would also comes on the credit side of bank account by Wise loan. The amount is 20,000. Then balance capital account by transferring the balance in bank account, as we would have to close all the capital account of the partners. On Axis capital account, the total is 75,000 plus 6,000 plus 49,667. The total is 1,30,667, and we have to deduct 70,000. The amount would be 1,13,667. It would comes on the credit side of bank account by Axis capital. The amount is 1,13,667. Then make total of Wise capital account also. The total of Wise capital account is 85,000 plus 6,000 plus 49,667. The amount is 1,40,667. And then make total of Z 51,666. Deduct 20,000. $55,660 deduct 20,000, 35,666 by Axis capital. Then Wise capital is 1,40,667. by Z's capital, the amount is 35,666. Make total of it. If the total of bank account is same on the both side, then the question is correct. Otherwise we have to check it. The total is 3,79,000 on both sides. Here the question is.